Ever feel like cruise lines quietly design your trip to spend more? These 15 proven cruise hacks will change the way you pack, book, and travel, saving you money, time, and stress. For each hack, I explain exactly how to do it, and when something is restricted, I give a safe, legal workaround you can use right away. Sail smarter in 2025. Welcome back. If you've ever felt like your cruise is quietly draining your wallet, you're not wrong. Today, I'm giving you 15 cruise hacks cruise lines would prefer you never find out. These are practical, legal, and battle-tested. Use them and you'll save time, avoid fees, and actually enjoy your trip more. Let's go. Number 1. Fly in the day before, strategically. The single best hack to avoid disaster: fly in the day before your cruise's embarkation. Yes, it costs a night in a hotel, but compare that cost to the price of missing the ship, last-minute flights, hotels, and the heartbreak of watching your vacation sail away. How to do it: book a hotel close to the port with free cancellation. If possible, choose hotels that offer airport shuttles and are recommended by the cruise line. If your flight delays you, you have time to reroute without losing the ship. Pro tip: choose a hotel with an early shuttle or arrange private transport in advance. Number 2. The 2 wallets trick. Carry-on essentials. Keep 2 wallets, one with emergency cash, passport copy, meds, and one for day spending. Why? Because if your checked luggage is delayed or you get separated from your bags, you still have critical items. Pack your carry-on with passport, credit card, enough cash for a day or two, medications, a swimsuit, a change of clothes, phone charger, and printed booking confirmations. This simple habit saves thousands in hotel and replacement costs if luggage goes missing. Number 3. Drink package math. Don't guess, do the numbers. Drink packages sound like a bargain, but they're not for everyone. The hack: run the math before buying. How to. Steps: check package price per day. Estimate how many drinks you'll realistically have. A safe break-even is usually 5 to 7 alcoholic drinks per day for most packages. Don't forget gratuities or service charges, sometimes included, sometimes not. If you're a light drinker, buy a few a la carte instead. Pro tip: if friends are sharing drinks, calculate individually. Packages are personal, not shareable. Number 4. Specialty dining hacks. Book smart. Specialty restaurants are tempting and lucrative for cruise lines, but you can enjoy them without overspending. Tactics: book early online during pre-cruise booking windows when promotions exist. Look for 2-for-1 or kids eat free promos during sailings. If you want the experience but not the tab, split a course with a partner or go for the lunch menu where available. It's cheaper. If your line pressures you into upgrades at the pier, politely decline and ask for a written menu. Then decide later. Number 5. Bypass the photo trap. Take control of your memories. Photographers are part of the revenue model. They take flattering shots and display them like museum pieces, each with a high price tag. Defense: take your own high-quality photos on arrival and formal nights. Use a tripod or ask a fellow passenger. If displayed photos are too tempting, ask for a digital copy price rather than physical prints. Negotiate: if they pressure you, walk away and review the gallery later. Pressure sales lose power with time. You'll keep the memory and the money. Number 6. Pack smart. The cabin power and electronics strategy. Many cruise lines ban certain power strips or adapters due to fire risk. Don't bring anything that could get confiscated, but there are safe alternatives. What's often prohibited? Non-UL certified surge protectors, multi-plug unapproved strips, and daisy-chained adapters. These create fire hazards. Bring a UL-listed travel power strip with surge protection and a single-plug check cruise line policy. A compact USB charging hub, no surge. These are usually allowed because they're low voltage and have built-in safety. Magnetic or removable hooks, no drilling for hanging items. Most lines allow magnets because they don't damage walls. Always check the ship's prohibited items list on their website before packing. If in doubt, email guest services for confirmation. Number 7. Use the cruise line app but control notifications. The cruise app is your best onboard friend. Dining reservations, daily schedules, messages, and even your bill. Use it strategically. Best practices: pre-check-in and upload documents via app to speed terminal processing. Turn off promotional push notifications. These push impulse buys. Use the app's daily planner to reserve shows and specialty dining at the moment bookings open. The app is free, leverage. Use it, but don't be manipulated by push offers. Number 8. The Embarkation Day Buffet Trick. On Embarkation Day, buffet lines and complimentary meals are often scaled down and designed to make passengers feel they need upgrade options. Avoid the traps. Tips. Eat light on Embarkation Day. Carry a water bottle and snack in your cabin, so you don't feel pressured into paying for extras. If you must eat at a buffet, head to made-to-order stations, eggs, pasta, for fresher fare. Avoid buying bottled water if you have a filtered refill bottle. Check ship policy. Many have water stations. Don't attempt to sneak beverages on board in sealed containers where policy forbids. Instead, bring empty, reusable bottle and refill. Number 9. Claiming hidden cabin perks. Ask nicely, get upgrades. Cabin upgrades and perks are often available but rarely advertised. The hack is simple. Be polite, persistent, and timed. Strategy. Check in early online and show up to port early. Be friendly to check-in staff. Small courtesies go far. Politely ask guest services about last-minute upgrade offers. Ask for any complimentary cabin improvements if they're overbooked. Dress neatly for embarkation. Appearance influences perception. Don't fabricate status. Use genuine loyalty points or ask for reasonable comps. Number 10. Use port days to your advantage. Beat the crowds. On port days, thousands go ashore, making pools and onboard venues blissfully empty. Use this time. Tactics. Visit the spa, fitness center, or pool early on port days for minimal lines. Book shows on sea days. Reserve seats early, then enjoy quieter activities when in port. Use port day mornings to snag prime loungers or quieter deck spaces. Number 11. Smart excursion strategy. Book right. Excursions can be expensive, and the big difference is whether they're official or independent. Official tours guarantee the ship will wait. Independent tours might not. Approach. For short, close-to-port activities, beach, city walk, independent operators can be cheaper. Book with reputable vendors that have good reviews. For long or far-away tours, book official shore excursions so the ship won't leave without you. If you book independently, build in buffer time or contact the excursion operator to confirm pickup times. Save receipts and contact info. If you choose independent, share your travel plan with guest services. Number 12. Protect your luggage, photos, and tags. If luggage goes missing, having proof speeds recovery and insurance. Before you check bags, photograph the contents of each suitcase, phone plus cloud backup. Use a unique luggage tag and a printed itinerary inside the bag. Consider tracking tags, AirTag style, inside valuable luggage. Check ship policy and legal rules for trackers. If trackers are allowed, set them to low frequency and don't interfere with ship systems. If not allowed, keep digital photos and serial numbers of valuables in your cloud. Number 13. Avoid the spa sales pitch. Free consultation is not a free service. It's the gateway to a high-pressure upsell. Here's how to enjoy pampering without the push. Steps. Take the consultation, but set a strict budget and say it up front. I'm here to try the 30-minute massage only, no product purchases today. If the therapist pushes a product, ask for a sample or price list to compare later. Walk away if pressure becomes uncomfortable. Guest relations will back you up if you were misled. You deserve a relaxing experience, not a sales pitch disguised as wellness. Number 14. Avoid Wi-Fi overcharges, offline and smart options. Ship Wi-Fi is notoriously expensive and slow, but you can stay connected without bleeding money. Options. Buy only what you need. Many lines sell data-only packages for specific apps, messaging only. Download maps, shows, and music offline before you sail. Use port Wi-Fi at your destination if you need heavy browsing. Empower family to share one package with app parental controls. Some lines allow account sharing among the cabin. A little pre-trip download goes a long way to avoid Wi-Fi sticker shock. Number 15. Loyalty and refund leverage. Become a smart repeater. Cruise lines reward repeat customers. Use that leverage to get perks or dispute resolutions. Tactics. Join the cruise loyalty program and link bookings. Status brings priority boarding, discounted upgrades, and onboard credits. If something goes wrong, escalate politely, record the issue, ask for guest relations, and if needed, document everything and follow up by email. Higher status often speeds resolution. For refunds or major service failures, request written confirmation. Use it for chargeback or insurance claims if unresolved. Respect plus documentation equals power. There you have it. 15 cruise hacks to help you save money, time, and stress while staying entirely legal and respectful of ship rules. Quick final checklist to put into practice today. Passports and copies, carry-on essentials, app pre-check-in, drink math, 2 wallets, honest medical docs, and flexible arrival plans. Use these and your next cruise won't just be relaxing, it'll be smarter and cheaper. If you want, I'll make a downloadable printable checklist and a short 60-second pre-boarding reminder you can keep on your phone. Comment checklist below and I'll pin it. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and click the next video where we reveal 10 secrets cruise lines don't want you to know. Trust me, some of those will shock you. Safe sailing.